When preparing gamefowl for an upcoming fight, it's crucial to take a holistic approach. This means focusing not only on physical training and proper nutrition but also incorporating regular bacterial flushing into the conditioning process. In this guide, we'll cover the basics of bacterial flushing, its benefits, and how often it should be performed. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bacterial flushing is a key component of a gamefowl's training, conditioning, and even mating regimen. As the term suggests, it involves flushing out harmful bacteria from the bird system by administering a prescribed dosage of antibiotics at regular intervals. Similar to delousing and deworming, bacterial flushing is typically carried out in the early stages of conditioning. Bacteria, along with parasites like lice and worms, pose significant threats to gamefowl. Some experts even consider them more dangerous than the opponent's gamefowl face in the pit. By eliminating harmful bacteria, bacterial flushing helps prevent diseases that could jeopardize a bird's health and performance. It also ensures that the gamefowl can absorb nutrients efficiently, promoting optimal health and peak performance during fights. Additionally, bacterial flushing contributes to overall farm health. In the Philippines, where the hot and humid climate fosters the spread of bacterial and viral diseases, this process becomes even more critical. Alongside vaccination programs and farm disinfection routines, regular bacterial flushing helps protect gamefowl from respiratory and intestinal diseases, especially since birds are frequently exposed to one another during training. By integrating bacterial flushing into your gamefowl program, you're not only safeguarding their health but also giving them the best chance to perform at their peak. 1. Eradicating harmful bacteria. This process removes bacteria that can cause diseases, ensuring that the gamefowl are healthy. 2. Improving nutrient absorption. By getting rid of bacteria, gamefowl can better absorb nutrients from their food, which enhances their growth and performance. 3. Preventing diseases. Regular bacterial flushing minimizes the risk of both respiratory and intestinal diseases, which are common in gamefowl. 4. Overall farm health. It helps maintain the health of the entire farm by preventing the spread of bacterial infections among gamefowl. 5. Preparing for fights. By keeping the gamefowl free from diseases, they are better conditioned and perform well during fights. Bacterial flushing is done every month in the farm. For the conditioning period, it will help the gamefowls as they start conditioning for the fight. Take note of these bacterial flushing tips. Do antibiotic flushing with 1. Medicines which has thiamulin and doxycycline that work hand in hand against respiratory infections which are non-responsive to other antibiotics. It has low bacterial resistance, or up to 90% sensitivity against bacteria causing respiratory problems in fighting cocks. For fighting cocks, give 1 capsule per 2 kilograms body weight for 5 to 7 days. 2. Medicines that contain sulfatomethoxine and trimethoprim, and is effective against coccidiosis, fowl cholera, infectious coryza and colobacillosis in poultry and fighting cocks. For gamefowl, dissolve 1 teaspoon, 3 grams, per gallon of drinking water from 15 to 30 days of age. Administer through the drinking water during the day and give fresh water at night. Inject bird with high levels of B-complex vitamins for optimum muscle development and better nutrient utilization. It is also fortified with liver extract for blood maturation resulting in a reddened face, comb and wattle, and folic acid for alertness and gameness during actual fights. During the conditioning period, administer 0.5 milliliters, deep intramuscular once a week. For preconditioning, 0.25 milliliters, deep intramuscular 2x a week or as indicated. Bathe gamefowl with medicated shampoo to remove harmful external parasites. Consult with your veterinarian regularly for proper ways to care for your gamefowl's health. In conclusion, understanding and implementing bacterial flushing in gamefowl is essential for maintaining their health and optimizing their performance. By removing harmful bacteria from their systems, you not only ensure the well-being of your birds but also give them the best chance to thrive in challenging environments. Investing in proper bacterial management practices is a key component of responsible gamefowl care, ultimately contributing to stronger, healthier, and more competitive birds. Remember, a healthy gamefowl is a successful gamefowl. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.